Hi, this is Itziar from Beamser International, and in this video, you will learn how to configure the capture module on EVA to recognize a document. Let's get started. On another video, I showed you how to go from this bill of lading to this form by using the capture module available on EVA. And on this video, you'll learn the configuration process that made it possible. The first step is to create the index profile. So in this case, we want to capture the date and the order number. So we have to add those two fields and select the type. After defining the index profile, we can continue by creating the archiving profile, where we select the format type and we add the web service that will transfer the data into the document management system. Right now, I am using Capture's web service builder to generate the link for the web service. We have to select the Workflow Studio project created specifically for this example of a bill of lading, and then we have to match the fields in the form with the fields in the document, the one we just defined under the index profile section. And as for the export options, we can select Add as Related File if we want to be able to access the original document from the form once we open it on EVA. The path that I'm choosing right now is where the document will be stored. And clicking on Next will generate the web service link, and we have to copy and paste it in Capture. Now that we have defined the index profile and the archiving profile, we can go ahead and create a new type of document and also a new type of group of documents. We need to create the profiles beforehand because we need to select them in this step. The next thing to do is to define the index template. This step is vital because here is where we tell the system where to find the data that we want to capture. In this example, we can recognize the document, for example, by reading Mosaic in the top left of the page, and then we can select the areas where the date and the order number are located. The process design section is where we can assign tasks to different users. So for instance, in our example, anyone can start the capture process, correct or validate the data, export it, etc. The last step is to complete the job profile section. On the first step, apart from giving the job profile a name and a description, we can state which are the type of document and group of documents by default. Then the Scan Process tab is where we select the process we created on the previous step. And then the Source section includes the path where the documents to capture are located, and also the path where we want to save the captured documents. The next two tabs are about the separation options. For example, if we want to scan and capture a few documents at the same time, we have to tell the system how to differentiate one document from another. One option could be to consider each file one document. Another could be to say that every time there is a blank page, then the following page is a new document. Or if, for example, every document is the same length, we could tell the system to count the pages and treat every, let's say, 2 pages as a new document. The last tab is where we select the transformation options. In our case, OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition. The configuration process is now complete, and we could start capturing documents. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see Capture in action, make sure to watch this next video.